Hello everyone. Today I'm getting ready to insulate this part of my roof or my ceiling. I got all this done back here except for back there. I'm waiting until I get my fan just so I can, be easier to see where I want to put it. But right now, before I insulate this, I'm going to go up top and mark out where my solar is going to come in, which I want it to come in. It's a low rib here, high rib up on the top. I want it to come in about right here. So what I checked is this. I'm looking at this headliner, and it's about even with this bead right here. So I'm going to go to the outside of the van. This is the bead right here. I'm using that for a reference point. So what I did is I just measured back to the door jamb, or the door seam right there. I got 4 inches. I want to be 6 inches past that headliner, which is even with the bead on the inside. So what I did, I lined this square up to here, and then I got the 4 inches plus the 6 more inches would be 10 inches. So on that high rib, so right there at the end of the tape measure, I'm not going to drill it yet. I'm just going to put a mark there and maybe just a dot or whatever with a Sharpie, and then later I can come back and drill through the insulation and everything, and then I can always change it later. It's just to get me a reference of where, and what I'm putting here is it's like a box that bolts down or screws down, and then you put the Dicor lap sealant over it, and then your 2 wires just come in. But that's what I got going on today. Thanks for watching.